Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Page 20 of Habits of a Successful Beginner Band Musician, and we have on the double in the key of F, which means only B's are flat, everything else is natural. Jamaican folk song, which starts off with a lip slur, actually just a gliss from first to sixth position. And then get into 91, which is clapping and counting. And part A, part B has a bit of a melody. 92, Space Cadets, we're working on staccato and then smooth legato notes. And then Ghosts in the Attic playing test number 4 for 93, which incorporates a lot of those different things into it. So here we go. Right, so we're looking at 91, rhythm prep, and this is page 20. I'm going to do clapping and counting and playing, and then I'll edit them together. 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 2, ready, and go. One, two, three. All right, here we are. Moving on to Space Cadets, number 92. Thank thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.